Hello students, now we will see question 3 of exercise 2.4. Now, first of all, before we start this question, you need to first understand the question. This is little bit different but not tough. It is easy. So let us do it. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. First of all, any 2-digit number if you take, for example, if I am taking 26, any 2-digit number, 26, 46, 32, whatever. So, any 2-digit number if you take, so they are telling that sum of the digits. Digits means this is one digit, this is another digit. This is digits at ones place and this is the digit at tens place. So, the sum, this sum, 2 plus 6. Okay, 2 plus 6 will be 8. Same way they are telling that sum of the digit. We have to find such a 2-digit number whose sum total is 9. Okay, sum is 9. When we interchange the digits. Now how to interchange the digits? Whenever you interchange the digit, for example 26 is our number. If you interchange the digit, so it will become 62. You need to interchange the digit. So ones place, whatever the digit is given at ones place, that we will write at tens place, and this tens place digit we will write at ones place. This we will write here and this we will write here. So that is called interchange. So we need to interchange the digits. So 26 was there. If we interchange, we get 62. So this way, if we interchange, then the result, the new number which we get, see, the resulting new number that we get is greater than the original number. So after interchange करने के बाद जो भी new number you are getting, for example this 62, this is our new number after interchanging. So this number is 27 greater. It is 27 greater than this number. So this is our question. Now let us see the solution part. Sum of the digit of a 2-digit number. So a 2-digit number has ones place and tens place. So first of all, we need to take the digit at tens place to be x. So let the digit at units place. Okay, the digit at units place means tens place. The digit is x. So let the digit at units place be x. So out of that 2-digit number, the number which is at ones place, that we are taking as x. Now, it is given that sum of the digit is 9. Ones place plus tens place. Whatever the digits are given, unka sum diya hai, right? Their total is 9. Now, one number you are taking x, that is units place. So, tens place pay for other number. Other number will be 9 minus x because sum is 9. So, x we are taking one number. So, other number will be 9 minus x. Other number will be 9 minus x. So this will be at tens place. 9 minus x will be at tens place. Now our equation we will form. So 2-digit number. First of all we need to make 2-digit number with the help of this statement. So 2-digit number will be tens place digit plus ones place digit. 2-digit number, for example 26 I told you. So 26 how we write as 20 plus 6. This way we are writing 26. 26 means 20 plus 6 because this is at tens place, 22 tens are, and this is at ones place, 6 ones are. So tens place or ye units place. So 26 means 20 plus 6. So same way our 2-digit number will be 10 into tens place digit. 10 multiplied by tens place digit because it is at tens place. So that is why we are multiplying with 10. So 10 into tens place digit plus unit place digit. So we need to multiply 10 into tens place digit. This we will multiply and then with that we will do plus units place. So 10 into tens place. Tens place what number we are having? This. We have already taken 9 minus x. So 10 into 9 minus x. ये पूरा हमारा tens place में होगा. This whole part at tens place. Plus x. X means units place. So 10 into bracket 9 minus x plus x. This is our original number. This is our original number. 2-digit number. Tens place plus ones place. So this is our original number. Now the question. According to the question, new number is 27 greater. It is given that new number is greater than original number. Okay, new number is greater than original number by 27. So with the help of this, we will get our equation. So write down, according to question, new number is so equal to 27 more than original number. So this way we will get our equation. New number equal to original number plus 27. 27 ज़्यादा है, original number से 27 greater. So जो भी हमारा new number है, that will be 27 greater than original number. Now new number, how they are finding? By interchanging, right? So new number they are finding by interchange. It is given that when we interchange the digits को इंटरचेंज करने के बाद जो नया नंबर मिलेगा, वॉट एवर न्यू नंबर यू विल गेट आफ्टर इंटरचेंजिंग द डिजिट, दैट इज 27 मोर. सो इंटरचेंज द डिजिट. सो इंटरचेंज हाउ यू विल डू? नाउ दिस वाज एट टेंस प्लेस, 10 into 9 minus x, this is at tens place and this is at ones place. When you interchange, this will come at tens place and this will come at units place. We need to interchange the digits. So 10 into x plus, now this is at units place, this is at units place and this is at tens place because we are interchanging the digits. So 10x plus 9 minus x. This is our new number and that is equal to old number and 27 more. So old number that we already wrote here, same 10 into bracket 9 minus x plus 27. Old number as it is. New number we have interchanged the places. 10 जो यहाँ multiply किया था here, 10 which was here that we have taken with x. Interchange. Now proceeding ahead. So we need to open the bracket. So 10x plus 9 minus x, here 10 will be multiplied with this both. So 10 into 9 and 10 into x. Okay. So you open the bracket, so you will get this step 10 plus 9 minus x and this side you are multiplying 10 you are multiplying, so 10 9s are 90 minus 10 into x will be 10x. So 90 minus 10x plus x plus 27, this is our equation. Now we need to add. So here 10 minus 9. So here like terms you need to add 90 and this 10x. So here 10x and this x minus 10x and x will be minus 9x and 90 plus 27. Number you will add with number. So it will be 117 minus 9x and this side it will be 9 will be as it is and 10x is given. Okay, so 10x minus this x. So 10x minus x will be 9x plus this 9 and this side addition subtraction of numbers and variables. Now in next step 9x and this 9x we will shift this side by transposing. So 9x plus 9x and this 117 and plus 9 will go there, so minus 9. So 9x plus 9x will be 18x and here 108. Now this 18 we will take in the denominator and then cancellation you will do. So 108 upon 18. So 18 ones are and 18 six are. Okay. You need to take table of 18, do cancellation, 18 ones are. So 18 ones are and 18 six are. So we are getting 6. Now this 6 is our x. And what was our x? Unit digit. Whatever was at units place. Okay. So units place, what digit is there? X means 6. Now tens place. So tens place what we took? 9 minus x. So 9 minus x. So 9 minus x will be 9 minus 6. So 3. So unit place पे कौन सा number है? Which number is there at units place? 6. And which number is there at tens place? 3. So what is our number? 2-digit number. So our 2-digit number is 36. This is at units place and this is at tens place. So our 2-digit number is 36. So this was the solution of question number 3.